Hi, welcome to a new tutorial on Power Prompts, the brand new app from Authored Intelligence. First of all, I'll explain what the icons are at the top of the page. These are direct links to the major AI platforms. You'll probably recognize some of the logos. First up is ChatGPT. Then there's Gemini. Next we have Claude. On the right hand side we've got Perplexity, Copilot and Authored Intelligence's all-in-one suite. These convenient links allow you to use these cutting-edge prompts at the coalface of the AI industry with a single click. You can also reset the conversation by using this icon. The good news is that the page output is not temporary. It will stay in your browser even if you refresh it. The only way to remove it is by using this reset button. Now let's look at the chat window. As you can see, it is very interactive. You don't start with a pre-rehearsed mega prompt. You interact with the machine as if it were a savant. And when it comes to power prompts, it will always ask the right questions. So it starts by requesting step 1, the topic. Please note, you should always start with "my topic is" to begin the interaction. As you can see, it has answered appropriately by asking for step 2, the tone. Remember, the tone is very significant. It is an underrated factor in the mega prompts, yet it is like a rudder that steers the ship to perfection. It makes some suggestions. These include formal, casual, motivational, and authoritative. In this case, I chose authoritative, yet you can mix and match multiple tones such as enthusiastic, confident, and many others. And now it reveals the power prompt for your chosen topic from 2 simple inputs. So here we have the power prompt. As you can see, it is considerably smaller than a mega prompt. It is far more focused. The major difference is that it uses delimiters, as recommended by OpenAI. Many of you will recognize my proprietary prompt tag format. I have used these as building blocks as I know how effective they are for keeping the AI on track. First up, it provides the theme as technological advancement. Then it includes my chosen topic and the preferred tone. This is where it really gets interesting. It has chosen the audience to absolute perfection. Tech enthusiasts, industry professionals, and educators, the perfect demographic. It has provided several formats, from an article to a white paper, a blog post, and a presentation. Then it reveals the proposed structure. It begins with an introduction, an in-depth analysis, the benefits, the challenges, and the future outlook. It has proposed a length of 1,000 to 1,500 words. And lastly, the jewel in the crown, semantic entities. In this case, it has isolated the prominent ones as a starting point. And as a final note, it asks if I want to change any of the prompt tags or provide additional details. This interactivity is a hallmark of this tool and of the other tools I create, as they include interactive prompting. Here's where you can have a huge impact on the output. Yet this power prompt would produce a wonderful output as is. So first up, I ask it to increase the semantic entities to 20. This technique shows you how you can control the actual tags and change them to suit what you want. So here we see the additional semantic entities: AI technology, machine learning, natural language processing, user interaction, innovation, chatbot, virtual assistant, neural networks, deep learning, robotics, personal assistance, conversational AI, AI ethics, AI applications, voice recognition, artificial intelligence history, human-computer interaction, data science, real-time processing, and AI convergence. These semantic entities put your SEO on steroids and leave your competitors in the dust. It's like an instant pass to the top of Everest, and the sky's the limit. Then it asks if I want to make any changes or additions. Now this is interesting. I added add entertaining to tone, but I made a typo. But the AI is that smart that it sorted it for me. This shows how you can add to your power prompt at will whenever you feel that you want to change it in any way whatsoever. Then it asks again, is there anything else you'd like to change or add? So I ask it to add inspirational quotes to the structure. So we scroll down and we notice that it's been added into the structure right at the end, inspirational quotes. As I mentioned earlier, anything is possible. You can even come up with your own tags and add those tags. So the sky is the limit. This is just the ultimate creative prompt. It's way ahead of any mega prompt that's out there. So once again, it asks, would you like to make any changes or additions? So we scroll down. Now I ask it to add a call to action to the structure, just to finish it off. And it finishes it off perfectly. Once again, it asks if there's anything else you'd like to change or add. So I add digital marketers to the audience. This just shows the flexibility of what you can add and what you can change, and it will do it automatically. Now let's look at the updated power prompt. So we can see it added digital marketers to the audience. Again, would you like to make any more changes or additions? Add Facebook post to format. So just this shows the ultimate flexibility. So there we have it. It's added Facebook post to the format. Is there anything else? And here's a really interesting one. Many of my subscribers will know how Hemingway's Rules is part of my prompt tag series, and this library, the whole library, the entire library, is connected to this app. So you can call tags from the app and it will do it as per the original prompt instructions. I'll show you how. So here we have add Hemingway's Rules, and it does it to perfection. It does it exactly as it states in the prompt library, but don't mention it in the output, because sometimes the AI will start talking about Hemingway and we don't want that to happen. So, would you like any more changes? The sky is the limit. You've seen how this works. Now, the next part is you can actually ask it to write the article. You can ask it to write a Facebook post, anything that's in the format. So you can go to the icons at the top, click on those, copy and paste it. So this is how we do it. You just select it, copy it, and then paste it into whatever tool that we want. Well, we go ahead, say, write this article, and it will do it according to the power prompt. So that's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. It shows you exactly what is possible with this groundbreaking tool. It's not like a mega prompt where you've got to go through and fill out all the form and find the bits that you've got to fill out. This is all interactive. You can tell it how to structure the prompt, you can change it in any way you want, and basically it's your baby. You can make it do what you want. Yes, it starts off with a nice format and an easy format for those who just want to do it the lazy way, and it will do a great output. But if you really want to get involved, this is your opportunity. This is your ticket to building prompts that will change your output dramatically. So make sure you get in and try it out, because this is the future.